Many people are having doubts about the tomorrow's ceremony. See, actually, now the government has made a rule, you cannot use one needle for others. So for each lemon, they will have one needle. Earlier, when I did and all, they will have one needle, which they use for stitching the shoes. No, actually, that's what, no, that is less painful. You guys are not understanding. No, really, see, that needle with which they stitch the shoes, it will have in one corner a small bending kind of a thing. They will just hold the skin and put that, and along with that the thread will go, and they will stitch, they will just tie that over. Now the whole needle has to pass through. Actually, that was less painful, but less hygienic. Now government has made us a rule, it seems. Now this is the standard they are doing. It's completely hygienic, means you don't need to have any fear about the diseases, but little, maybe not much, little, it may be painful. Now nobody will do. It's okay, no need. You don't need to worry that because you tied the rope, you have to do. No problem. See, tomorrow also, don't worry. First, see, when they do the first lemon, if you are really having pain, don't do. One is enough. One lemon is enough. After all, you made Sankalpa in front of my energy only. I'll take care, don't worry. You have not done any sin by telling, oh, I will do it, and you did not do, nothing like that. Relax. There's no credit, debt, loan problem between you and that Sankalpa. If you are enjoying, do it. If not, it's okay, stop it. How many of you are afraid? Then you guys don't do, that's all. What do you want to do? Actually, they are not able to get lemon anywhere. We need 2000 lemon. 2000 lemon we need. Because 200 people, more than 200 are going to have tomorrow. Even if you, see, I told them, you be prepared for 108 for everybody. But how many each one want to do, let them decide in the spot. After the first needle, then you decide, even one you can do. You can stop with one, no problem. Or if you want to go up to 11, you can go up to 11. Or after that also, if you feel, then 25. Then 54. Then 108. It's your freedom. I told them, you be ready with 108 for everybody. It's like a plate. Tattu podradhum solvaanga in Tamil. In each plate they will arrange it and keep it ready. So I told them that you be prepared for 200 people, 108 for each. They got 2000 needles. So that needle will be first boiled and then it will pass through the lemon. They will put the thread and keep it ready tomorrow for you guys. No, I say, lemon does not awaken Kundalini, that poking awakens Kundalini. Understand? That piercing, that awakens Kundalini. It is just ritualistic. Actually, in Tiruvannamalai I have seen they will do orange, apple and all. That's too heavy. That's why I told them, let them have lemon, that's enough. They will do it orange, apple, big fruits. Huh? No. The piercing only matters. Needle doesn't matter. You don't actually need lemon at all. Actually, originally Kundalini awakening happens just by that poking only. And you don't need lemon at all. But just if you get poked, I will even know whether you got poked or not. No. Actually, after some time, automatically the lemon becomes so heavy, it falls. Because they will not really poke the whole skin. You understand? It's almost like a standing. The lemon will be standing maybe for 2 hours to 3 hours, that's it. And moreover, that feeling, pain, actually will not, even while they do, it will not even be there. I have seen in my experience, see, they will, you will see tomorrow, they will beat certain drums which are made out of skin. See, I told you that some people will have allergy, that if you just scratch the skin on the nail, your nail, if you scratch, how you feel on the teeth. Same way, when they beat the drum, your back will become very stiff. Your skin will become kind of a, it will get into that survival mode. Survival mode. Just like a shoe, mending the shoes, they will finish it. You don't know. You will see how funny it will be. They will finish in half an hour, they will finish 108 lemon. So don't worry, don't think, anyway, first I am only going to sit. They will do it for me. You see whether this is good for you or not, whether you feel comfortable or not. Then you give your back, that's all. And after that also, while they do the first thing, you decide whether you want to have more or you want to stop with it. Over. It is not that you are going for some war and warrior. If you get back, if you step back, people will make fun of you. Nothing like that. These are all very strong ways of awakening Kundalini. Very sure, guaranteed ways. Just for survival, your body has to respond. Nothing can be done. You understand? Putting the body into such situations, it has no other way except awakening the Kundalini. Except responding to it. That's all. I have seen even ordinary people don't have any pain. See, 25,000 people will do. Every year I have seen. 25,000 means all range of people will do. In morning satsang you mentioned that all the ashramites are extension of your being. But are not we all the beings for that matter, extension of your being? Please give your insight. Yes, no doubt, all beings are extension of my being only. All are extension of my being. Ashramites do what I do. You guys do what you want to do. That's all. That is a small difference. See, both your hands are your extension only. One hand does what you want to do. One hand does what it want to do. That's a small difference. It's not small difference. How can you understand Kundalini awakening in the tongue? It will be very strong, sweet taste. That's the way you can understand. While unclutching, what about the master's words and the moment we spent with the master? Do we need to unclutch even from that? Yes. While unclutching, unclutch from that also. After that, when you remember, okay. When normal times, when you remember it, it can go on. But during unclutching, everything has to be unclutched. I mean, if you had a very sore throat feeling after that process morning, very tired, restless, good. It's a very strong tuning. Usually when you get into that practically, it takes 1 day to settle down. The process is such that how much you'll be able to handle, you'll be able to handle. But even if you're not seen, when you have these symptoms, be very clear, the work has been done, what needs to be done. How many of you still have that body pain of the morning process? Raise your hand. Only you guys have done it properly. If you are not having body pain, means you have not done it properly. It should create intense body pain, because how can an animal enter into your body and go without you having pain? If you are not having pain, means you do it very safely. No, I am man. One corner I will act like an animal. To literally release that animal mood, by now you should be having very pain. He is asking a question. I said you can charge for healing during health, but during healing initiation they said you are not to charge money. Our healing, especially our spiritual healing, we don't charge. But there are so many people who do so many different kind of healing things. For that I was telling when they were asking. In our healing system, somehow I made it as a policy from the beginning. For healing, we don't charge. That's why. But you can teach all other things like Nitya Yoga, all those things, and charge for that. That's all. Counseling, charge for that. In your deep samadhi state, the deep spot was picked up in the brain on PET scan. Brain is matter, as I understand. How is it that all spiritual experiences are linked so deeply with the nervous, what is the next word, no? System, which is a matter? No, it gets reflected, no? See, I am in samadhi, but me which is in samadhi is reflected on this body. See, I am like that light, pure light, but that falls on this body directly, without any disturbance. On all you guys there is a disturbance. You have so many layers saying that don't fall on me. You are too sunny. In my case I said come on, directly fall. So it directly falls on my whole system. It is everywhere. It's like this body is like a mirror. Gets positioned in such a way it reflects.